Back to another video with legit Colleen. So today I'll be showing you guys how to hide your Instagram likes and view count. And this is a new feature that Instagram has recently brought. So if you didn't know, now you know. So I'm just gonna go straight into the Instagram app, and this is my interest page. So if I wanted to hide the likes on a certain post, I would just go to it, and you see here it says who has liked it. I would go to the three dots in the top right corner and click hide like count. Now it only says liked by blank and others, and this will work on any other post too. Here it says 847 views. Now it says hide likes and view counts. So the views are now gone, and so are the like number. If you want to turn it back on, just click the three dots and unhide, and it will return back to normal. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Love you all.